this was in the news. The scientists discovered the 5 new species of the black corals living thousands of feet below the ocean surface near the Great Barrier Reef. Near the Great Barrier Reef, they find the different type of reef known as the black coral reefs. And so we need to learn about these reefs as well as we also see about the different type of reef here. कौन-कौन से reefs हैं, कहाँ पे located है, we also see that. So the black corals mainly जो इनका location होता है, they are found in the shallow water. Shallow waters में मिलते हैं and the down to depth mainly जो इनका depth है up to the 8,000 meters. Depth is up to the 8,000 meters and some of the other feather like streets and the colorfuls. जितना ज़्यादा depth होगा उतना ज़्यादा color कम होगा because of the lights availability and then as well as the photosynthesis for the energy. So it depends completely on the sunlight, how much sunlight is receiving there. So the black corals having grayish color or maybe the black color, so their color are different from the other corals. Black corals are the filter feeders and tiny zooplankton. This was the statements in the today question paper. These eat the tiny zooplanktons mainly. If you see the other are eating the phytoplanktons, but these are especially eating the tiny zooplanktons. Corals reef are the underwater ecosystems and are formed colonies of the coral polyps together by the calcium carbonates. So they are forming some colonies of the coral reefs by the calcium carbonates known as the coral polyps. So these are the mainly basics idea about the coral reefs. सबको पता है coral reefs हैं क्या क्या चाहिए होती है, what are the temperature requirements, what are depth requirements. So we will see. The condition of the formation is mainly they are in the photoic zone, light वाले zone में symbiotic relationship with the zooxanthellae. Zooxanthellae everybody know is the algae, जिसके साथ इनका relations होता है zooxanthellae. And the optimum temperature required is 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. The optimum temperature required for the growth of corals is the 25 to 27 degrees Celsius, as well as the low nutrient water requirements. Yes, salinity 35 to 37, as well as the low nutrient water requirement is the main requirement for the coral growth. And they cannot survive near the river mouth, because the water flow will be the higher side, so they cannot survive near the river mouth, as well as due to the lack of the nutrient at that part. So these were the basics idea about the corals as well as the black corals. Sorry, there will be the excessive nutrients, so they cannot survive at the place. So if we see the mainly the 3 type of coral we are looking, जब भी आप geography में पढ़े होगे तो mainly 3 types of corals आप पढ़ते हैं. One is the barrier reef, and the second the atolls, and the third is the fringing reefs. These are depending on their shapes and कहाँ पे located हैं. If they are located near the parallel to the shore, then it's known as the barrier reef. Means shore hai, they are working as a barrier. Like in the case of some of the high tides case, they are preventing them. So these are known as the barrier reefs. Atolls, if they are forming around the island or they are forming a circular shape, these are known as atolls. If you see the shape of the atolls here, they are covering a body and showing the round shape. These are known as the atolls. Ring-shaped corals consisting of a coral rim that encircle a lagoon. So these are encircling a water body. Third is the water body. Yeah. Fringing reefs. Fringing reefs is a reef that form around a landmass. And these are specifically formed around a landmass. So these are 3 different type of reefs. Maybe the match the following they can ask. Match the following. Which reef is located where? Kis type ka hai? Barrier reefs. They can give the option of the atoll in the barrier reefs and the option of atoll in the fringing reef as well. So you need to know which is about what is about the barrier reefs के बारे में क्या है, कहाँ पे located होते हैं. It's mainly on the shore, and the atolls these are bounding the lagoons. And third is about the fringing reefs. Fringing reefs is the form around the land mass. So these are specially formed around the land mass. So these are the 3 types of the corals. Then what are the major threats to these corals? जिसकी वजह से they are also discussing in the COP27 में. If you see the conference of party 27, there is also a discussion about the corals. और कोई भी climate change related होती हैं चीजें तो corals का एक role play होता है वहाँ पे. And they also discuss what are the major threats and what are the major advantage of the corals. So we will see both the threats as well as the advantage. One is the coral bleaching. Second is the dredging and trawling methods. Means when we are capturing the fishes through a different method, we are using a large net, some from the bottom of the sea, so they are capturing the coral as well. जिसकी वजह से they also affecting the corals. Global climate change. Global climate change, you are seeing the temperatures of the changing, and due to temperature changing की वजह से water का temperature भी change होता है, जिसकी वजह से वो unsustainable for the corals as well. Then the unsustainable fishing in the large amount of fishing from a small area. Like if we are fishing from if we going to the sea, when we are covering an area where the coral is also there, and we are doing the fishing at a very high amount, so they also affecting the corals. And the land-based pollution, like the plastic pollution mainly, which is affecting the corals. So we will see in a pictorial way as well. These are the mainly things which are affecting the corals. If you see the indiscriminate fishing, excess amounts में अगर fishing होगा तो they also affecting the corals. Then the fishing spawning aggression, क्या methods हम use कर रहे हैं fishings के लिए, that is also the unsustainable for the corals. Then we see the fishing nursery. Actually होता क्या है, जहाँ पे fishing shores होते हैं वहाँ पे इस establish कर लेते हैं fishing nursery type. They are continuously doing the fishing and collecting there. तो जो continuous fishing की वजह से है, they also the affecting the area which are having the corals. So it is known as the fishing nursery. And the marine debris में you can mainly call the plastic, about the plastic pollution as well as other pollution as well, which also affecting the corals. So this is the major regions which are affecting the production of the corals as well as the उनका sustainability नहीं रह पाता है. So this is the region behind the coral reef. So let me see some of the things about the advantage of the corals. One is the tourism and the recreation. Tourism, instead of tourism, if you going to the Andaman, mostly जो tourism है वहाँ पे इनसे related ही है, related to the corals, and even you see the some videos related to the Andaman and Nicobar. They are specifying the corals as well as there. So this end may we see there is a tourism industry related to the corals which are having a huge industry in this area. Second, food and fishing. Coral reefs sustain the fish and shellfish population. They're providing a shelter to the fish as well as the shellfish, जिसकी वजह से food production increase होता है as well as the fishing का जो area है, यही positive as well as negative effects पे. If you see the negative, highly fishing होती है उस area में, highly fishing होने की वजह से they are damaging the corals, but they are also providing a shelter to the corals. Then the coastal protection. Coastal protection may protect the coastal beach and the community and the beaches. Even the high tide waves, we can see in the different high tide waves as well in the different natural disaster, they are providing a barrier there, and so they are acting as a coastal protection zone में help करते हैं. If coral reef act as a home and nursery 25% of all the marine life, and this is a huge number. All the marine lives, they are providing a 25% of all the marine lives को act as a homes and the nursery they are providing to the marine life. Then the coral reefs are created by many animals called the coral polyp, जिसके बारे में हमने देखा, and they are having a symbiotic relation with the zooxanthellae as well. So these are the mainly advantage of the coral reefs. What are the mainly regions behind the damage of the coral we see, and what are the black corals, and what are कहाँ पे वो मिलते हैं, किस depth पे हैं, क्या उनका major fact है उनके बारे में, they are eating the zooplanktons, as well as the threats क्या हैं उनको related to the corals, as well as the what are the advantage, कैसे वो help करते हैं हमारे environment को protect करने में, how they are providing a tourism and the recreation, how they are focusing on the food and tourism. तो इससे रिलेटेड ही 2022 में क्वेश्चन आया था बायोरॉक टेक्नोलॉजी. इफ यू सी, यू कैन सी द ब्लैक कोरल हेयर्स, so you can see the color is mainly grayish due to the lack of availability of lights, जिसकी वजह से photosynthesis नहीं हो पाता है, they cannot color जो नहीं मिल पाता है. These are the black corals. If we see this question, this was a question asked in the 2022. The biorock technology talk about in which of the following situations? What will be the answer? A. Restoration and the damage of the coral reefs. So this type of the question may be again asked. They can also ask, give us some of the application. मतलब advantages में 5-6 advantage दे देंगे, and 1 or 2 may not be from the corals. So you need to know what are the major advantage of the corals, and what are main perspective में देखेंगे तो आपको पूरा एक like threats भी लिखना है, advantage भी लिखना है, कहाँ पे है वो भी लिखना है. तो उसमें आप you can present the figures में भी present कर सकते हैं, different type of corals को कैसे barrier reefs क्या है, atolls क्या है, उसको present कर सकते हैं. तो this type of question also asked in the GS3 environmental part. ब्लैक कोरल अभी डिस्कवर किया है इसको, इसलिए 5 टाइप का न्यू डिस्कवर हुआ है, इसलिए न्यूज में था. दिस इज द न्यूज. Scientists discovered the 5 new species of black corals living thousands of feet below the ocean surface near the Great Barrier Reefs. Thousands of feet, 8,000 meters. Thousands of feet we can say. It may be the 2,400 feet. 1 meter is equal to approximately 3.3 feet. So you can calculate कि कितना होगा. Thousands of feet maybe 2,000, 3,000 depend on the depth. तो इसमें गूगल में मेनली द सोर्स, दिस इज द सोर्स फ्रॉम द हिंदू एज वेल आई सर्च इवन द डाउन टू अर्थ एज वेल. तो डाउन टू अर्थ में भी यही सेम इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है. या 8,000 deep water, these are known as deep water reef. तो मेनली लास्ट लाइक इस ये अभी नवंबर एंड में ही है, 26 नवंबर को दिस वाज इन द न्यूज, so it's become important for you. You can see also need to know about the different technology. Biolog technology was lastly in the news, इसीलिए उन्होंने क्वेश्चन बायोलॉग टेक्नोलॉजी में पूछा है. तो सिमिलरली इफ देयर इज एनी अदर टेक्नोलॉजी और देयर इज एनी अदर फैक्ट रिलेटेड टू द कोरल रीफ, you need to know. So the question may be framed on that part as well.